There is a triad that you don't really hear about as often as you do the CIA triad, the AAA triad, or the PPP triad, and that's the hardware, software, and communication triad. This has to do with where data might be located at any given time. It can be sitting on hardware somewhere, in ROM or in memory of a hardware. It can be sitting somewhere in software or in a communication system. Now, until we had internet, or I should say until we had networks, we really didn't think about communications that much. Data was either on a system or on some software which was loaded onto that system, and then we began to network computers, and then we had to think, well, this data could also be somewhere in this system, in the hardware or the system whereby it's being transmitted. It could be in the wires, for example, between systems. And so these are the three places that data could exist. Now, in the next video, we're going to introduce another triad that is very, very similar to this. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use the same graphics as I have here, but give some different terminology to give a different viewpoint of another triad that you actually hear a little bit more often. And why are these two triads used, this one and the one that I'll be coming up in the next video? Because when you're thinking about securing systems, you have to think about, well, where all could the data be that I'm trying to protect? And so this is a good way to think systematically about where do I need to protect my data. I need to protect it at the computer, I need to protect the software itself, and I need to protect the communication systems.